Hey, hey, hey. It's okay, he's not gonna eat you. He's not gonna eat you, I won't let him eat you. Where do you know? Ow! Don't bite me. It's okay, buddy, you don't need to eat him. No, it's okay.
He is not your breakfast. You will not eat my guinea pig. It's okay, Mr. Coffee. I won't have to eat you. It's okay. You don't have to worry about a thing. It's okay.
You guys are like my two little babies. No, it's okay, don't run away. Oh, I didn't get any text because I don't have any friends. Maybe it's just because it's 6:30 in the morning and everybody's asleep. No, I just think I don't have any friends. I only got you guys. Guys, my only ones. Wee. Oh no, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey. Why are you? No. Don't wag your tail. It's okay. You don't need to eat them. We got dog treats for you to eat, not guinea pigs. Guinea pigs are not food. Guinea pigs are friends, not food. Just like fishes. See? Look it. Oh, okay. Okay. That time's over, you guys. Come on. Get up. Come on. Up. Hey, hey. Don't eat them. Can you bond with them?
Yeah, bitch, call me Steve O. I'm a wild boy, fuck, I need O. Yeah, bitch,